Here's our irrigation pond. Got a better view from the other side here. Doesn't it look pretty? All that vegetation gone. Except for the willow trees, of course. But you know, once those bloom out, they'll probably look pretty good. Put the dock back in place somewhere, but boy, that makes it look, sure makes it look a lot bigger. Anyway, I can't wait to see it in the sunshine and when it's all dry out here, and when the pond clears up a little, it's going to look really nice. I think it's going to be very inviting to go swimming in.